Well, good morning there. I'm back at one of my bait stations where we've caught 5 wolves so far. And I noticed they had took the bait, the deer carcasses, and they had moved it to over here. And there was a couple of trails here that I let them get comfortable with these trails here. There's a couple right in the back. So they never hit this one. But I did put one right up in here. And came to this. We had a chew out here. Here's the snare, the anchor. It just tangles itself into these willows. And it chewed out. So I'm gonna go in there and look around a bit, see if I could find it. So I will get back to you. I'll give you an update, see what I can find. Well, I am back, heading to my bait, back to my truck. And that's all I found. And the chew-out wolf. I went in about 400 yards in the bush there, but there was just too many. There's too many deadfall. There's where I turned around there. I could see where he was stopping at, and you know. Struggling with the snare, I guess. Okay. Oh man. But anyways, yeah, as I was back in there, I found a whole lot of trails. One even right here heading in there. Just a bunch of trails over there. I found one deer carcass that they drug over there. It's about 100 yards from where the main bait station is. In one of my early videos I was saying, those are the kind that I like to let be for a while, leave them alone for a while. So they will make their trails. Where it came in. I took off from my bait here after he got caught. He came back. What did he do? Oh. Oh, I did not see this one. Wow. What happened here? I followed him and I've never seen this one. Okay, so what he did, he came from this way, he took off from this way. Oh, I'm all over the place. Okay, I gotta go. This is where he came in from after he got caught. I actually took another way, but I did follow his tracks up in there. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened. Where I caught him. He first, after he chewed out, he came right here. And he must have took off that way. because I went this way. But I also seen. Okay, that's what happened. He actually went in that way, went around, and headed right for the big spruce. Who knows, maybe next time I come back, I might bring a buddy. I'm alone today, so I didn't really want to take that chance going in. Like I said, I went in about 400 yards. Maybe next time I come, I'll bring somebody with me. But anyway, that would have been number 13. I'm sure he's gonna die somewhere. So, all right, I'll catch you later.